Hey there, Bruce Milligan from CellPro Repair Solutions here. I just wanted to do a quick video on how to install the LG G4 LCD and digitizer, as you can see here, onto this frame. What you want to do first is you want to use a B7000 glue, and I don't like the tape, so that's why I'm doing this video. I kind of just wanted to show people how to do it properly. You want to put the B7000 glue around the frame here. Like so. Doesn't matter if you get it off the frame because it will dry up. And then after the repair, or when the tape's dry, you sort of just peel it off. Just go like this. I want to watch out for that there. Circle around, and then you sort of want to make sure you're putting sort of an even bead around here. Like so. I'm going to just dab a string there, and that's going to hopefully keep this. This is a grill that we put on here, like so. Just like that.
I didn't think I had the card, if I recall. Yeah. And so I think it's canceled. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
It's a little bit messy, but we can just clean it up later. And then we'll take the LCD. We're gonna put it in this here.
My husband.
Slip it through.
It was just in that whole settling of all assets.
But make sure
so it was probably, if I'm not, it would have been. It would actually
make sure the grill is lined up nicely.
The not mediator, what do you call it? The actual. Yeah.
Keep it close. Just look at that closely and make sure the grill is lined up.
Yeah.
And yeah, that grill's lined up really nicely. So that's perfect. It's looking nice through here as well, and it sits super nicely down there. The last thing you want to do is grab some clamps, and you just want to clamp this down.
I was going to say, I only have
in
one
various
checking.
places.
Yeah. The savings doesn't really matter. I don't even know where I have that. I think we opened it up as a secondary account just in case. Yeah.
Probably don't put it on that, but maybe put it here.
Yeah.
Just make sure it's sticking nicely.
Right.
And then I'm going to clamp it here. So essentially you might want to use a few more clamps, but as of right now, this is going to do.
Think of anything, to be honest with you, at this point. There was, one point I asked.
Just going to grab one more clamp.
My understanding is that
Put that here. And that should suffice for right now. Alright. Let it sit for 24 hours. Thanks.